This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening your document and selecting the text you want to change. Click and drag or press Ctrl+A for everything. This saves time. Once done, glance at the Home tab. The font group is where you act. You will see the font name box, font size, and quick controls like bold and italic. Make sure to keep the cursor in the selected area while you change settings so every choice applies immediately to the highlighted text. Now you choose the actual font and size. Click the font name box, type part of a name or scroll. You'll see a live preview in the document that helps you decide. For size, use the font size box or quick shortcuts like Ctrl+Shift+ and Ctrl+Shift+ to nudge sizes. Remember to mix style toggles like bold, italic, and underline for emphasis. If you want uniformity, use Format Painter to copy a style. Finish by fine-tuning in the font dialog. Press Ctrl+D to open it, where you control character spacing, scaling, and ligatures. These details affect readability and layout. Once you apply a style, use the Styles gallery to keep headings and body text consistent across the document. If something goes wrong, make sure fonts are installed and embedded when sharing. Otherwise, substitute fonts may appear. If text still looks off, check document compatibility settings or reapply the desired style.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.